Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, January 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this is an A, B, C of wave Y, which I still believe is probably going to go up and take out these highs. I think this is three waves up for the W, three waves down for the X, and now we're going to go three waves up for a wave Y before we end up continuing back down. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this move down is pretty impulsive last couple of weeks, but it definitely hasn't broken any structure. I think there's a very good chance on this time frame that it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, because I believe we are in an uptrend for the wave C of wave Y, just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. Probably it is like gonna end up being a one of this uptrend, like a one of C. And then this move down probably is gonna be a crescent to this move up, probably like a two of C. And eventually I bet it's gonna go up for a wave three of C. I bet it's gonna go down to either the 50 or the 61.8, maybe even the 61.8 is more likely, so that way it would take out the low wave 4 before it actually ends up continuing back up for the wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where you can actually start to see this downtrend. It actually seems like almost a perfect five-way pattern, which makes me think the wave A is over, and that this is actually an A, and this move down is actually a B, and this is going to go up again for a wave C, and that this is an A, B, C, a B, which an A, B, C, a B should be a crescent to the wave A, and eventually I bet it's going to go down again for a C. Like I said, the 50 to 61.8 seem like the most likely areas for this to end a wave 2. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we have a nice impulsive move up. I believe this is probably a wave A. This move down to me looks pretty corrective. I wouldn't go long until I saw a nice big engulfing move to the upside, because it very easily could keep drifting down, especially because we do not even have a break of structure to the upside yet. But if you do get that impulsive engulfing move to the upside, it potentially could be a nice little counter trend move for wave C of wave B. This first move down would be the wave A. This would be an A, B, C, or B, and eventually it would go back down for a wave C, probably turning at a Fibonacci retracement of this whole last move down. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.